Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you really funny stuff that we find in America, and welcome to my new video called What the F America. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me. Not you, Sam, them on Instagram. Okay people, welcome. Look who's here. So hi again. We came in shopping quickly and I wanted to show you something. Sam, why so many?
America has a problem with vacuum cleaners. I guess they all need to look like they're from Ghostbusters or something. You can all see the internal fans moving and stuff. It's like a toy. Look at this.
For all of you super dirty people. Look, American flags. I need like thousands of them.
America.
Wait, I need more.
This is great. It's a bowl light. You turn your toilet into a nightlight. How cool is that? 7 different colors. 7 colors of toilet colors. It's like you're taking a into heaven. What the
Nije mi jasno šta mi je na glavi. What is this? Guys, do you need a blender to put the turkey in? We have that. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's
you need to see that it says it on the side.
Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's... Sam, what you gonna do if there is zombie apocalypse? Okay. So we're safe?
Yep.
Bye-bye. To the right. Right. You need help with holding your glass? Not a problem. America has solution. Look at this.
Look, if you buy this, your baby can be as unhappy as he is.
I mean, I grew up with the rollers, like regular one with the 4 wheels. And can someone explain to me what is this?
Okay, the answer to all of my problems. It's the six pack. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. When you want to drink 6 beers at the same time and have both hands free for another 2, this is the way to go.
The rest of the world? America. What the f? It's oversized Barbie. Look. I mean, seriously, look at this. What the f? If you want to leave someone a note and it's raining outside, or it's a brick or a wood, don't worry, American has solution. We have so many games, but look at this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like it, let me know. Leave the comment, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and of course follow me on Instagram. And for more videos like this, if you like it, we're gonna do it, so let me know. Also, in next 7 days we're gonna be on vacation, so I'm gonna film all of it and I'm gonna upload as soon as I can so you can all enjoy it. So stay tuned and I hope to see you soon.